In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Read Aloud in Outlook. We'll be working directly inside Outlook, and I'll show you how to access the feature that lets Outlook read an email out loud. This can be especially helpful if you prefer listening instead of reading, if you want to review long emails more comfortably, or if you simply want a more accessible way to go through your inbox. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're in the Mail section. Once you're there, click on your inbox so you can see your list of messages. From the inbox, open the specific email that you want Outlook to read aloud. It's important to open the message fully so you can access the viewing tools connected to that email. After the email is open, go to the View tab at the top of the Outlook window. This tab contains display and reading options, including the one we need for this process. In the View menu, click on Immersive Reader. This opens a cleaner reading environment designed to make email content easier to focus on and interact with. Once you're inside Immersive Reader, you'll see the playback controls. At this point, you can simply click the play button, and Outlook will begin reading the email aloud to you. This is the main way to enable the reading experience for that message. As the voice starts reading, you can follow along with the text on screen, which can make it easier to absorb the information and catch important details. If you want to stop using Read Aloud, you can just pause or exit the Immersive Reader view. In other words, enabling or disabling the experience is really tied to whether you launch the reader and press play for that email. So anytime you want the message read to you, return to the View tab, open Immersive Reader, and use the play button. If you don't want it active, simply stop playback or close that view. A quick tip before you finish. If you regularly deal with long or detailed emails, this feature can save time and reduce screen fatigue. It's also useful for proofreading, since hearing the text read aloud can help you notice things you might miss while reading silently. That's all there is to it. You now know how to enable or disable Read Aloud in Outlook by opening an email, going to View, launching Immersive Reader, and using the Play control.